Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 3rd October 2024. In this video, I will teach you top 20 current affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. Who assumed the role of Secretary General of NATO? Answer is Mark Rutte. On 1st October 2024, Mark Rutte, the former Prime Minister of the Netherlands, became the Secretary General of the North Atlantic Treaty Organization, NATO. He is the 14th person to hold the position. He takes over from Norway's Jens Stoltenberg, who has led the alliance since 2014. NATO, also called the North Atlantic Alliance, is an intergovernmental military alliance of 32 member states, 30 European and 2 North American. Question number 2. Recently, which year was proposed as the new base year for GDP computation? Answer is 2022-23. The government is considering changing the base year for the computation of the gross domestic product, GDP, to 2020-23 in February 2026. At present, the base year is 2011-12 for the GDP calculations. Last base year revision for GDP was done in 2015 when it was changed to 2011-12 from 2004-5. Similarly, base year for CPI revised to 2012 and for IIP to 2011-12. Question number 3. What is India's rank in the International IP Index 2024? Answer is 42nd. India's rank in the International IP Index 2024 is 42 out of 55 with a score of 38.64%. USA topped the rank with the score of 95.48%, followed by UK with score of 94.12%, France with score of 93.12%, Germany with score of 92.46%, and Sweden with score of 92.12%. India's position at 42nd reflects its standing in the global intellectual property landscape, signaling the importance of fostering better IP practices to boost competitiveness and economic growth. Question number 4. Which Indian state has implemented the passenger fault rule? Answer is Rajasthan. Rajasthan Roadways has introduced the passenger fault rule, shifting the responsibility from conductors to passengers for traveling without tickets. This move aims to ensure passengers are accountable for showing their tickets, with fines and departmental actions in place for ticket violations. Previously, conductors were penalized for such instances, but now passengers face the same consequences, promoting a stricter system for ticketing. Question number 5. Who has won Best Actor Awards at the 2024 International Indian Film Academy (IIFA) Awards? Answer is Shah Rukh Khan. The International Indian Film Academy (IIFA) Awards 2024 was organized from 27th to 29th September 2024 in Abu Dhabi, UAE. Shah Rukh Khan has won the Best Actor Awards for Jawan. Rani Mukherjee has won the Best Actress Awards for Mrs. Chatterjee vs. Norway. Question number 6. Recently, BCCI inaugurated the new National Cricket Academy, NCA, in which city? Answer is Bengaluru. The Board of Control for Cricket in India, BCCI, recently inaugurated the new National Cricket Academy, NCA, in Bengaluru. The world-class facility will now be called the BCCI Centre of Excellence, COE. Spanning over 40 acres of land in Bengaluru, the BCCI Centre of Excellence features a total of 3 world-class grounds and 86 pitches, including both indoor and outdoor areas. Question number 7. Who has been elected as the President of the Indian Newspaper Society, INS? Answer is M. V. Shreyans Kumar. M. V. Shreyans Kumar, Managing Director of the Mathrubhumi Printing and Publishing Company, was elected as President of the Indian Newspaper Society, INS. He succeeds Rakesh Sharma of Aaj Samaj newspaper. Vivek Gupta of Sanmarg was elected Deputy President, Karan Rajendra Darda of Lokmat Vice President, and Tanmay Maheshwari of Amar Ujala, Treasurer of the Society. Question number 8. Recently, which national park has been declared an eco-sensitive zone, ESZ? Answer is Gir National Park. The Indian government designated 1.84 lakh hectares around the Gir protected area as an eco-sensitive zone, ESZ, to protect Asiatic lions and promote sustainable development. This eco-sensitive zone, ESZ, spans 196 villages across 3 districts and includes 17 rivers, with a 10 km buffer zone from the Gir protected area. Gir National Park, located in Gujarat, is renowned for its conservation efforts and is home to a thriving population of Asiatic lions. Question number 9. Which country successfully launched the Smart Dragon 3 rocket? Answer is China. China successfully launched the Smart Dragon 3 rocket from an offshore platform near Haiyang, Shandong Province. This mission placed 8 satellites, including Tianyi 41, into their designated orbits, showcasing China's growing capabilities in space technology. The launch was managed by the Taiyuan Satellite Launch Center and marked another milestone in China's space advancements, driven by the China Academy of Launch Vehicle Technology. Question number 10. Which country's Soyuz MS-25 spacecraft safely brought back its crew? Answer is Russia. The Soyuz MS-25 spacecraft, belonging to Russia, successfully returned to Russian cosmonauts Oleg Kononenko and Nikolai Chubb and a NASA astronaut, Tracy Disson, to Earth on 23 September 2024. The spacecraft landed near Zhezkazgan, Kazakhstan, following a 374-day mission for the Russian cosmonauts and 184 days in space for the NASA astronaut. Question number 11. What is the theme of the 9th Ayurveda Day announced by Ayush Minister Pratap Rao Jadhav? Answer is Ayurveda Innovation for Global Health. The theme for the 9th Ayurveda Day, announced by Ayush Minister Pratap Rao Jadhav, is Ayurveda Innovation for Global Health. Ayurveda Day is observed annually on Dhanvantari Jayanti, also known as Dhanteras, to promote awareness of Ayurveda's benefits in healthcare. This year's celebration will take place on 29th October. Question number 12. Who became first Indian to secure pole position in the Deutsche Tourenwagen Masters, DTM? Answer is Arjun Mani. Arjun Mani made history by becoming the first Indian to secure pole position in the Deutsche Tourenwagen Masters, DTM, at the Red Bull Ring in Austria. Mani clocked the fastest time of 1 minute 30.128 seconds on his final lap, despite facing technical issues with his radio. Following this achievement, he faced challenging conditions in race 1 but managed to finish in 3rd place. Question number 13. Which company received the Best Display Award at the UP International Trade Show 2024? Answer is THDC India. THDC India Limited was honored with the Best Display Award at the UP International Trade Show 2024 in Greater Noida, recognizing its commitment to sustainability and energy security. The company showcased its cutting-edge power solutions, earning praise from Union Minister Shandilya Giriraj Singh, who presented the award. Question number 14. Who is spearheading BharatJan, India's first government-funded multimodal AI initiative? Answer is IIT Bombay. BharatJan, launched on 30th September 2024, is India's pioneering government-funded multimodal AI initiative aimed at developing generative AI systems in various Indian languages. This initiative is led by IIT Bombay, which focuses on promoting social equity and cultural preservation. The TIH Foundation for IoT and IoE at IIT Bombay is implementing the project, with support from other esteemed institutions like IIT Hyderabad and IIM Indore, positioning India as a leader in generative AI. Question number 15. Who became the fastest cricketer to reach 27,000 international runs? Answer is Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli achieved a remarkable milestone by becoming the fastest cricketer to reach 27,000 international runs, surpassing Sachin Tendulkar's record. Kohli accomplished this feat in his 594th innings, 29 innings faster than Tendulkar, who reached the mark in 623 innings. With 27,012 international runs, Kohli's impressive record consists of 8,870 runs in tests, 13,906 runs in ODIs, and 4,188 runs in T20s. Question number 16. Which state has partnered with the Nudge Institute for Livelihood Development? Answer is Meghalaya. The Meghalaya government has collaborated with the Nudge Institute to support 50,000 vulnerable households, prioritizing single mothers and social inclusion. This initiative provides livelihood coaching and social protection frameworks, utilizing technology-based monitoring tools. The partnership aims to promote resilient livelihoods and was announced at the Northeast Conclave in Shillong on 27 September 2024. Question number 17. Where has recently launched the Dust-Free Drive? Answer is Delhi. Delhi Lieutenant Governor L.G. Saxena has launched the Dust-Free Drive across the cities to combat the air pollution. This effort aims to reduce pollution levels, especially before the winter season when the air quality usually worsens. One of the biggest causes of air pollution in Delhi is road dust. Dry weather and the lack of rain make this problem worse, as dust from dried mud and silt on the roads gets blown into the air, degrading air quality. Question number 18. Who has officially taken command of the International Space Station, ISS? Answer is Sunita Williams. National Aeronautics and Space Administration, NASA astronaut and Indian origin, Sunita Williams has officially taken command of the International Space Station, ISS. She is set to take command for the second time for International Space Station, ISS. She previously held the position during Expedition 33 in 2012. NASA has announced that Russian cosmonaut Oleg Kononenko has handed over the command to Indian origin astronaut Sunita Williams. Question number 19. Who became the sixth player to play 500 T20 matches? Answer is David Miller. South African batter David Miller played his 500 T20 match, becoming only sixth player in the format to do so. Across 500 T20s, Miller has scored 10,678 runs at an average of 34.89 with a strike rate of over 137. In T20 match, Kieron Pollard tops the ranking with 684 matches, followed by Dwayne Bravo with 582 matches, Shoaib Malik with 542 matches, Sunil Narine with 525 matches, and Andre Russell with 523 matches. Question number 20. Who will be honored with an honorary Caesar at the 50th Caesar Awards? Answer is Julia Roberts. Oscar-winning actor Julia Roberts is set to receive an honorary Caesar Award at the prestigious 50th Caesar Awards ceremony in Paris. The gala event will take place on 28 February 2025 at the iconic Olympia Hall. Roberts first gained recognition in Hollywood with her role in Mystic Pizza in 1988. She has garnered 4 Academy Award nominations, winning the Oscar for Best Actress in 2001 for her role in Erin Brockovich. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.